One of the most common problems lately is unapproved ads or even fully blocked advertising accounts. Top Media is increasingly approached by customers asking for help restoring the activity of blocked Google and Facebook advertising accounts. Statistical data show that in more than 80% of cases, these accounts are blocked without a significant or apparent reason, and it is almost impossible to get detailed explanation from advertising platforms. As holders of premier Google partner status, Top Media can easily find advertising flaws, such as prohibited wording in the banner or homepage, which caused your company's ad to be blocked. So far, we have succeeded in restoring the activity of advertising accounts in more than 80% of cases. If your company has also encountered a similar issue when advertising accounts are blocked, but the platform specialists could not help in time, cooperation with Top Media Agency will serve as insurance if such a problem repeats itself. Visit topmedia.agency, apply for a consultation, and our professional team of specialists will gladly help you overcome these and other digital marketing challenges.